English, Balbharati, Integrated Textbook, Standard 3, Part 4. We will study today mathematics. In mathematics, we will learn measurement of time. Measurement of time. Page number 35. Everybody got it? Everybody got it? You will read with me in the beginning and then I'll explain you how to read the clock. You have seen wall clock at your home? It's a big clock, round or square or heart shape. It is of different shapes. Okay? So we'll go about it. In the beginning, we will just read the lesson so that you understand what is written, and then we will explain you. There is a tie at home, and small children are learning how to read time from the tie. Tie says, you had asked me, you also read, you have asked me, read with me, you had asked me how to tell the time using a clock. Today, I have brought a big clock to help you to learn that. Look at the long hand and the short hand of the clock. When both are at 12, it is 12 o'clock. One hand is over the other. The small hand is down below and the big hand, which is minute hand. Big hand is a minute hand and small hand is the hour hand. When they are overlapping each other, it is 12 o'clock. When they are on the 12 o'clock overlapping each other, it is exactly 12 o'clock. Salma. When the short hand is at 4 and the long one is 12, it is 4 o'clock. So short hand, if it is at 4 and the long had reached after making full round at 12, it is 4 o'clock. Nandu. We can also show 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock like this. So at 5 o'clock, where will be the short hand? It will be at 5. And the minute hand, that is long hand, where it will be? It will be at 12. Similarly, at 9 o'clock, the short hand will be at 9 and the big hand, that is minute hand, will be at 12. You understood it? Sonu. The short hand goes slowly, but the long one moves faster. Tai. Yes. The short hand shows hours and the long one shows minutes. That is why they are also called the hour hand and the minute hand. The long hand has reached 1. So it is 5 minutes past 12 o'clock. Nandu. When the minute hand reaches 2, it will be 10 minutes past 12. And when it reaches 3, it will be 15 minutes past 12. Then we will see that the hour hand has also moved forward a little bit. Bit is not there, I just added it. That means it will not remain at 12. It will move slightly ahead because it moves slowly. When the big hand, that is minutes, has completed full circle, then it will just move from 12 to 1. Only one gap will be there from 12 to 1. That is 1 hour has lapsed. Tie. That is right. Between two adjacent numbers, there is a difference of 5 minutes. So you see here, you see the 12 is here and the our hand is between 12 and 1. It has moved slightly when the big hand, that is minute hand, has moved from 12 to 3. That means 5 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 5 minutes. 15 minutes. 5 into 3, 15. How many people know the table up to 20? Raise your hands. Nobody has raised hand. Within 1 week you will learn table up to 10. And after 1 more week you will learn up to 20. This is homework for you. Remember it. I'll ask you again. So if you multiply 5 by 3, it will be 15 minutes. And when it moves to 4, the minute hand moves to 4, what will be the time? That is 5 into 4, that is 20. 20 minutes past 12. Sonu. That means we can use the 5 times table for counting minutes. So when the hour hand is between 12 and 1, and the minute hand is on 9, we can tell that it is 45 minutes past 12. Because 9 fives are 45. So this is the diagram. When you will, the big hand, that is minute hand, has reached to 9, the hour hand, which is a small hand, is about to move towards 1. It is not fully yet on 1, slightly behind, between 12 and 1. Okay? So you understand this. This is 45. 9 5s are 45. 45 minutes past 12. Tie. Great. Great. When the minute hand moves forward, starting from 12 and reached at 12 again, it has completed 1 round. The time it takes to do this is 60 minutes or 1 hour. In that time, the hour hand moves from 12 to 1, and that moment, the time is 1 o'clock. Tony, I got it. If the hour hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is on 8, then what will be the time? Who will tell me? See, this is the condition. The bigger hand is on 8. So what is the minutes? 8 into 5. 8 5 ja 40. And our hand is between 4 and 5. So what is the time now? 40 minutes past 4 o'clock. We will read like that. 40 minutes past 4 o'clock. In Hindi we will call it 4:40. 4:40. Very good. Tony says, I got it. If the hour hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is on 8, then because 8 fives are 40, it is 40 minutes past 4. It is 40 minutes past 4, or in Hindi we will say 4